Hi guys, CryptoMarketariansm.com. I'd like to welcome you back to another great video on how you can make money online. Today I'm going to answer a couple of questions that is very frequently getting to me from you guys. And the question is how I can make fast money right now, easy on what I have around me. On how very easy I can make some money. So I will give you a suggestion that I believe is the fastest way you can start making some money right now, and will give you some experience as well, because you can get exposure on different things. So before we go ahead and start this video, guys, stick with me all the way down to the end, because I'm gonna show you a few tricks on how you can do this. And if you just landed on my channel, make sure you click the subscribe channel, follow the right of this side of this video, because I want you to be part of my channel. It would be a great honor for me, guys. I learn from you as well, so it would be a great honor if you go ahead, click the subscribe button and the bell notification next to it, so you can receive notification for the videos. So no further ado, let's go ahead and start these websites. This I'm gonna leave for last. Guys, I'm gonna show you a couple small ways. First of all, what I would like you to do, if you are in desperate of making some money, any kind of amount of money, $20 will make a difference, $30 will make a difference. I would suggest, first of all, use eBay in two ways. First way is to go home and search for things you don't need. Everybody has a used phone that doesn't want. Everybody has something used they don't want. If you open your closet, if you open your drawers, you find jeans and t-shirt, shoes, as long as they are in good condition and somebody else can use it, somebody else out there is looking for it. We are billions in the world, guys. Somebody's looking what you have. You have it in the closet sitting there. The only thing most likely is going to happen is one day you're going to open it 1 year down the road, say, what is this? I don't need it. It's not good anymore. You throw it away. Do not do that. Open your stuff, see what you have there available, and put it on eBay. It's free to use. Go there, put it on eBay. You can use this for many around the world, ship it out and get paid. Why not do this? Start with this one. You're gonna make some fast money just doing this one. No much hassle. Just take a couple of phone photos, upload it on eBay, put a good description, be good in what you're doing, be honorable, make a good package, an envelope, put it inside so that the person who's gonna buy from you is gonna give you good feedback, and you can make it as a good business. You can make some money out of it and make a good business. Now, in the scenario that you tell me, guys, I have nothing to sell. Chris, I have nothing to sell. I totally get this and it makes sense. I want you to show you a second trick using eBay. So with eBay on the home page, guys, I want you to come here. This is going to be the first page you see. I want you to come on the top right menu, click on deals, and it's going to bring you on the deals page, where you're gonna find all the hot items with a big discount. So you can see all these featured deals. We'll take the first one, DJI Magic Pro Hasselblad camera. This was $1,799 USD, and now is 1,500. Guys, I'm showing you just as an example for this one, so how you can see the method. You don't have to go to the 1100, 1500 item, but let me show you how it works. So I click here, so I can see this item is now $300 less. Which one is the second, or maybe higher? I don't know. I'm not an expert to see. Website, branded people go and shop. Amazon.com. I hope everybody agrees with me. So you go to Amazon. I copy this. I don't want the whole thing. I go to Amazon, guys. I come here on the top, copy paste, and this is the item, guys. 2,997 USD, and I can buy it for 1,500. Look how much difference, guys. This is crazy. Now this is just a case. You can see that only 11 left in stock. This item is selling, so you can go ahead and see the other to compare the prices, but this is just an example. Now you can take this and do the same thing with smaller things. You can find something here based on your budget, something here go to Amazon, compare it. You can buy it from eBay and sell it in Amazon. You can do this steadily. So if you don't have an item, you can use from there. Now, I'm gonna show you something. Maybe you know it, maybe you don't know it. A lot of these items, or most of these items, on our website, people that they want to sell on their Shopify and so on, they come and buy not from eBay, not from Amazon, but they buy from AliExpress.com, which is a company that's working with Alibaba.com. So here you're gonna find the cheapest products ever, global wise. Even people buy from here and they sell on eBay, they buy from here and sell on Amazon, they buy from here and they sell on their Shopify stores. So you can come here, scroll down. I think I have it here still in the description. Let me see if they have it here as well. Oh, there you go. Okay, they have it here. Even here, it's a little bit more expensive. So the eBay deal is a very good option. Now, here you can go ahead and search for other items. If you are a car fanatic, if you are, I don't know, the categories are listed here. So you can go buy a watch. Yeah? The watch that was used to be 300 now is 23. It's a very nice, beautiful watch. You click on it, you buy it, you take the description, you take the photos, and you put it on eBay or any other account you want to sell. So 390 already of this watch sold. Come here, click on it, see if it's a good thing. Take the photos. You can copy and save these photos on your computer, and when the time comes, you put it and you list this this clock or what item you're gonna choose on your eBay account. So if you don't have an item, I just show you a couple of different ways on you can do it. But the best way, if you have a few items, go ahead and click eBay, make an account, take all the stuff you don't want in your house, clean your house as well. It's a very nice karma if you have a nice clean house, because it makes you feel different. You take the stuff you don't want. You're gonna find things that they are useless and garbage, throw them away. Don't keep things around you that they are not bringing you a positive vibe. The rest, put them for sale and start making some money. So this is what I want to show you guys today. One way, easy way, fast way to make money. I hope you like the content of this video. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Now, if you want to make more money out of it, my #1 recommendation is listed below. Click the link below so you can see free way, proven with video, guide you all the way, ready system, making money, passive money from the coffee house. This is what I want to talk to you about, guys, today. I hope you enjoy the content of this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe so you can see the next video gonna release very soon just for you. Enjoy, start making some money, leave a comment if you need anything. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the day. Bye bye.